Have you been looking all over for the perfect apartment condominium to invest in for yourself or as a rental? Well, you're going to want to take this tour while I tour you through the Madison, located in the heart of downtown Edmonton, Alberta. This property really has it all, including a bike storage, a secure, huge lobby, as this used to be a hotel. It has an exercise facility as well as a boardroom that you can rent for any type of activity or event that you have. Moving on through, you will be surprised at how spacious this unit is. It is located on the 4th floor and has over 800 square feet of living space. Bright and airy, as it is a corner unit and it is west facing with tons of natural light bathing it. There's even a corner gas fireplace to cozy up on a cold winter night. This property is well managed and has a professional property management company. The whole building is secure and you are close to the Alberta Legislature Grounds. The large bedroom has an area for a desk, big window, tons of closet space, bright and airy. The unit is also perfect for entertaining. The building has underground parking and there is also an additional storage locker on the top floor. The bathroom has a large soaker bathtub and there is in-suite laundry in this unit. Open concept, large kitchen. This is perfect to call your home. Call this yours today. Karen Stanka with RE/MAX. The wait is over.